Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. I've had a couple of comments reference use of the Noco GB20, the boost pack I carry in the car. And a few of the comments have said I haven't shown how to connect the boost pack to the car in the event that you come to your car and you have a flat battery. So I'm going to rectify that now at 25 to 11 at night and pretend my GR Sport here has had a 12 volt battery failure, and I'm going to show you, because there's a lot of people who aren't going back through the archives in the videos where I've actually used the GB20 to show you how to connect it. So we're going to do this now for those that haven't bothered going back, where to connect the boost pack. I've got the boost pack here now, it's in this bag. So first thing I'm going to do is recover my boost pack out of my little carry-all where I keep my tools. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it out. There's the leads. There is the GB20 Noco boost pack. Let's put that on the seat. The battery tester is also in that bag. So, first thing I'm going to do with the Noco boost pack is connect the leads. I'm going to remove the safety cover off the Noco because the booster leads connect to these ports here. So let's leave that on the seat. One port is square, one port is round, and it matches up to the shapes on the Noco. So I stick the Noco there because I'm trying to do this one-handed. I've now connected the leads to the Noco. Okay, we're now going to go and open the bonnet on the car. So once I set my torch up on my jumper, and we'll go and open the bonnet. Secure the bonnet and find the fuse box, which is here. I want to get the lid off the fuse box now. Put the fuse box somewhere safe. Okay. The port you're looking for is under this red cover. That is the positive terminal, and I'm going to use that bolt there as the negative. So let's get the Noco off the seat and I'll show you how to connect it up. So the positive for the Noco is going to go on there, and the negative I'm going to put on that bolt on top of the suspension tower. So we've now got a positive and a negative connected up to the car. We're now going to turn the Noco on. So that's the Noco on. I've just bypassed all the safeties on the Noco and pushed the red button on the Noco. Then you get back in your car, foot on the brake, and start the car in the normal fashion, and the car will boot back up. That is how you use the Noco and how you connect to your car. Once you've got the car turned back on, I will disconnect the Noco off the car, not forgetting now, put that back on to cover the live port up. Put the fuse box lid back on. Fasten it securely, close the bonnet. Turn the Noco off and get on your way and drive home. Them are the connection points for the Noco GB20 or any jump pack. I hope that answers the questions of where to connect the jump pack, how to connect the jump pack, and I'm not going to get asked the question again as to why did I not show everybody how to use the jump pack to start the car in the instance of a 12-volt battery failure. I hope that answers all the questions and I don't get any more comments on the subject. All you have to do is go back into the archives. There are multiple videos that I've made on this GB20 jump pack from the day I got it right through. So let's put that to bed. And if I get asked any more questions, all you're going to get is a link to this video. Thanks for watching.